Hey, what's up?
Oh, hey, man. How you doing?
Man, I was wondering, have you heard from your family?
Yeah, sure. No, that's a lie. Haven't heard a fucking thing.
Damn, that's fucked up, man.
Yeah, well, not gonna matter. We're all gonna be dead in about a half hour anyway.
What's going on, ladies?
Hello, Trevor. What kept you?
Business, Michael, business. All right? I'm the CEO of a big international corporation. It's very time-consuming. Nothing, of course, you'd understand, being a gentleman of leisure. You know, Franklin, if there's one thing that you're gonna learn from being around us...
Please fucking insanity. Then they can't fry you.
If you want something done, go to the busy man. This rich fuck is useless.
Hold on, man. Can y'all knock that shit off?
Oh, look! Boys, you're boys. It's the feds.
Hey! Where's the other three?
What other three?
We told you to bring along 6. This is a 6-man job.
No, you didn't.
Dave did?
No, Dave didn't.
You said you'd do it.
That is a frickin' lie. I do not get things wrong.
All right, great. Then we're out of here. Fuck it. Let's go.
You 3 can do it alone.
And fuck you. You do your own dirty work.
Hey, I do my dirty work every day, keeping the country safe from scum like you.
And you're doing a great job, sir.
Hey, you want this job done? Then come with us, huh? Come on, Mr. Leisureware, Mr. Depressed Accountant. Let's go save America.
Who the fuck are we saving it from this time?
This is the real deal. My sources are convinced there's a plot in international affairs, you know, the agency, and they're using this facility to make a serious nerve toxin.
Bullshit.
Yeah. Which they plan in their mind-blowing insanity to let a major terrorist release on a metropolitan area so they can continue to get funding. Nothing increases funding for fighting terrorism more than successful acts of terrorism.
All right. So let me get this straight then.
No, there is no getting it straight. That's the point. Now we're doing this. You two are on getaway. Fuck off and make it happen. Michael, you're with us. What size flipper you wear? Agent Norton, it's been a while since you were in the field. The sight of you in neoprene is something we save for our worst enemies.
Shut up, I'll be fine.
And you, get in. You're driving.
Follow the coast to the south. It's not far.
Listen to me, Steve. No wisecracks, got it? No fucking cliches. We're fighting for the freedom of the people today.
Don't lecture me on patriotism. You've been living outside the system too long. Social responsibilities, a joke to you.
So maybe I redeem myself, get killed in the process, huh? That old bullshit.
No one is dying on my watch. This is the bay. We can get in through the discharge tunnel.
Here goes.
There'll be a grate over the outlet. Townley, you've got the cutter. When we get there, go to work punching through. Roger that. I'm taking the oxyhydro cutter to the grate. That's burning at over 3,500 degrees.
Yeah, thanks for the science lesson. Can I keep this for the next vault I hit?
That gas won't last forever, so cut smart.
got any more little facts for me from the instruction manual?
Thought you'd want some intel on the equipment we sourced using your hard-won funds.
Ha! I figured it was all gonna go on a wardrobe full of windbreakers. Oh, and maybe some nipple clamps. That should do it.
Okay, we swim down the tunnel, gain access to the facility.
You sure this thing comes out where you think it does?
The intel is good. We're 100 yards out.
Ah, I feel like I'm giving a colonoscopy to the Statue of Happiness.
Nice change from beating up Trevor Phillips's ass all day. You feel that? Water's getting warmer.
You wet your pants, Davey?
This is a cooling tunnel. Of course it's getting warmer. No one urinated.
I know for a fact that that ain't true.
The problem with this job is I only get to know the criminals who are dumb enough to get themselves caught.
Yeah, only I wasn't caught. Remember? I turned myself in.
He makes a point. That makes you doubly dumb. What are you waiting for? Final turbine. Nearly there. That's an air pocket. Take it up to the surface, people. Come on, get up the ladder.
How are we? Huh? We ready? I was born ready. Let's do this.
Come on, Dave. What's the plan?
Hey. We locate the toxin and action our escape strategy. That's what we got.
Great. Lead the way.
Bank robber, your job is to keep this covert and non-lethal as long as you can.
Dave, you're on point. I'm leading from the rear. And Michael, you're on stun gun duty.
Hands up, you, now! Against the wall, quick! We gotta go! You, don't be a hero! Drop your weapon!
Okay, now hit the elevator.
So what exactly does a neurotoxin look like?
You're on a need-to-know basis, bank robber. Shut it. Elevator coming, body on board, stay vigilant. Out! Collect the swipe card. All right, we go.
How you feeling about this? I'm feeling pretty damn fine. Yeah, if only your camera crew was here.
Round to the right, come on.
Clear, let's go!
2 lab geeks, gotta deal with them. Put them up! Put them up!
Excuse me?
This is a secure research environment.
Don't fuck with me,
Please. Please.
We gotta keep moving. Along here and to the left. Let's keep moving. Up through here. Behind the wall. Security detail about to make a pass. They're on us. Make a judgment call.
I dare you.
Clear. We move forward. Use the card on that swiper. There's a lab rat in with the toxin. Let's do this.
Open the door!
I don't know what you think you're doing.
The locking mechanism is triggered from the inside. What's that?
I got this.
left. The nerd went down. You want us to take out this door and you along with it?
The special agents have the door. Go in there. This'll make me the most dangerous man in the country. I'm also the most shit scared. Oh, man. Thank you, federal government. Damn it! We need to get the nerve agent into a refrigeration unit.
Facility security has been compromised. Warning, warning.
Got the right weapon? This shit's about to get real.
Agency security.
Don't shoot me! I'm carrying nerve toxins here! Come on! Push through! Another guard! Poor bastard! I don't want to be here either! Left, up here! Push for the exit!
Keep your head down! You're an ass!
You hit me in the wrong